Hello students, we will start the phenol here. Preparation of phenol. First is Dow's process, very important. This is the phenol we have taken, react with NaOH in the presence of this much temperature. It forms as ONA, H positive OH. From benzene diazonium chloride, H2Cl with H2O, and while this H2O, it forms as OH and N2 plus HCl. Next is decarboxylation of sodium silicate. In this one, what will happen? This is sodium silicate. When it is heated with NaOH, CaO, we get phenol. Phenol means OH we got it here, Na2CO3 we got it. After this, we will start from the amine reaction. In the amine reaction, we can say like when cumin is here oxidized, we get cumin hydroperoxide. Then the compound upon heating gives us phenol. So here CH3 with air oxygen, it forms as CH3. On this CH we will put H2O. Okay, heating process we are giving, it forms as OH, and here it forms as CH3COH, and here CH3. Next is cumin is obtained from benzene and benzene plus propene. How the cumin formation takes place? First of all, with the benzene and the propene. So here benzene we have taken, propene, methane, ethane, propene. Ene means double bond will come in the presence of H3PO4. So what will form? It form as CH3, benzene plus CH2Cl. How this formation takes place? Benzene we have taken, this thing we have taken place, AlCl3. This formation takes place as CH3, CH here, CH3. Means H1 is left, it will come on this one side, and what the thing left, that is HCl. Next is heating of sodium benzene sulfonation with NaOH. So here SO3Na with NaOH heating process gives ONA H positive with OH. Okay. So here till here understood to all. These are the phenols preparation. If we have benzene, NaOH and H2SO4, these chemicals are reacted to each other to produce phenol. Understood? Okay beta. So here benzene with H2SO4 form NaOH. It will form as SO3Na NaOH heating process ONA plus H2SO4. Properties: phenol is a colorless crystalline solid, becomes reddish brown when it become air exposure. When it come in contact with air, form a brown. This color of phenol is due to the formation of benzoquinone. Beta, in the books it is written too much lengthy. What the notes I am giving to you, please try to write these notes in your copy. Other things you can use it from the book, like physical properties, chemical properties. If anything is important, that you can write down in your copy by the using of the book. Phenol is not soluble in cold water due to steric hindrance. Okay, phenol is highly corrosive to the skin. Phenol is corrosive to the skin, means not good for the skin. It produces blisters in skin. Blisters means a reddish, means some itching type problem taking place. Next is the chemical properties. After that I will tell you. Okay, thank you students.